Alright, what up, y'all? So, just a quick update on the Vet. I think I finally figured out what I'm gonna do with this thing. I know I've been doing updates for a while now, but I think I know what I'm about to do. Before I do all of that, though, anybody else been having an issue with this seatbelt? Like, can't pull my seatbelt out. So, I took the seat out, took all of this apart, took the seatbelt out. It's some sort of like a little mechanism, and there's like a little metal ball with a gear thing that stops the gear from spinning. So I took it all apart, put it back in. It worked just fine, and then as soon as I put the seat back in, it didn't work no more. So I don't know what that's about, but probably just need to get a new seat. I mean, new seatbelt thing if I can't get that to work. But anyway, I finally think I know what my plan is gonna be with this. Still got to get to working on this. I really just hadn't really been messing with this, but I need to get that Mustang together too. But I think I know what the plan is gonna be for the Vet. So it's good they still start. But these seats, I was gonna get them redone, but I think I'm just gonna get a whole new seat. I've been looking at these those Braum racing seats. They got some real nice ones. I put a picture up on the screen, but I think I'm gonna replace these with those. So that'll be next up on my list. When I do that, I'll probably get that new seat belt, if that's gonna be my fix for that. Next up is gonna be, I think I want to do those wide fenders in the back. Iffy on if I want to spend the roughly $800 to $900 plus paying for paint and all of that to do the smooth ones, or if I want to get these rivet-on fenders, which was gonna be my plan for the Mustang, which it's in the way, but that was gonna be my plan for the Mustang. But they make them for this car too, so I might get those. I'm back and forth on it right now. Found some wheels I'm thinking about. I'll show y'all those later. I'll probably show you those once I actually order them. I'm still kind of back and forth on a couple of designs. But that is where I'm at right now. So I'm thinking wide body, new wheels, and new seats. So let me know what y'all think about that. If you know anything about those Braum racing seats, let me know something. I've been kind of back and forth over YouTube, watching other people's videos about them, seeing what fits, what doesn't fit. But most likely that's what I'm going with. So yeah, if you had some racing seats or you went through anything dealing with yours, let me know, so I can, make my job a little easier. But that's it for now. I'm about to go for a little ride, and I will catch y'all on the next one. I'm not quite sure what I got lined up this week, but it'll be videos on something. So I'll catch y'all in the next one.